Welcome to the morning yoga video routine part 3 video. In this video, we are going to do Surya Namaskar and then how to improve your lower body flexibility through various different asanas. Now we are going to do Surya Namaskar. For that, first Pranamasana. Now, Uttan Hastasana. Continuing with the flow, Hastapad Asana, Ashvasanchalanasana, Chaturanga Danda Asana. Now continuing with the Namaskar Asana, going with Bhujang Asana. In this, it's a kind of inverted thing. Now, Adhomukh Shav Asana. It's a great asana for many diseases. Ashvasanchalan, we're going back. Now Hastapad again. Going up for Hasta Uttan Asana. Getting ready. Now with the flow as much as you can. Then Namaskar. Now we'll do it again with a long taking breath and universe and the energies coming inside us. Let it be inside us. Now Surya Namaskar increases your flexibility. It enhances your immunity. It gives you all toned body. It reduces your extra put on weight. This also helps increase your way of living as you live lazily, or if you feel like you have fatigue, you have stress, depression and all. This asana and all the various asanas give you pleasure and a unique thing inside when you do such thing on daily basis. You will feel automatically after performing one step of asana. These asanas give you immense of pleasure, and if you really have sorrows and pains and miseries in your mind going over, then this asana and this practice of asana gives you relief from all those depression, anxieties, disorder, and especially if you are crying. Yes, a healing tip this is for you. Healing tip. Moving on to increase our lower body flexibility, I have discovered many of different level of exercises so that you can practice at home and you can achieve the best results. This asana is also called Kivadachi in Japan. This asana is very helpful, and it's also called tiptoe position if you are tiptoe only then. But this position gives you a lower body flexibility and increases your strength, as you can see. Practice and leave, practice and leave. Before going for any split, you must strengthen your lower muscles. You must gather all the energies and powers, and also a kind of getting ready in position for every limbs of your body. So for that, you need some basic exercises before going for a split or any lower body flexibility. Now we are going and turning. Will remain here for a minute or for seconds. This is also called Piplika Asana, butterfly pose. Good exercise for your lower body. This asana is quite easy if you see, but if you have any problem in doing, then you can leave the asana. If you feel like doing such thing, then you can go for the split. Otherwise, don't go quick and fast. This you must do, and slowly and steadily, so that you are comforting and relaxing your muscles. From both sides, you must pay attention to it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.